Well, hello! Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I thought I would make a wild currant and sandalwood soap swirl. It's a fragrance that I absolutely love, and I've got some colours in mind that I think are going to work really well for this soap swirl. So why don't you come and join me? I'm Sarah Janes from soapschool.com, and we help aspiring entrepreneurs to start their own soap and cosmetics business. Now, whether you're thinking about this as a business or whether you just want to have fun, I think you're going to have a lot of value from today, and I can't wait to see what you do with this yourself. Let's have a look at some of the bits and pieces that we're going to need for this project. So we've weighed our oils out. I'll pop the recipe into the description underneath for you. And we've already mixed our lye solution. The colours I've chosen for this are this beautiful kind of dusky pink mica colour. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm hoping that this works really well. But I think it's going to be a little bit too dark on its own. So I'm actually going to mix that with a little bit of white as well. And I'll pop that in a minute. And then I also want to use this gorgeous Swiss chocolate mica. It's really rich and dark. It's going to add a lot of character and impact to the design. I'm going to add my lye solution into my warmed oils and just give this a quick mix. So this particular fragrance is called Wild Currant and Sandalwood. I buy it from a company called Happy Olive, and I think the colours, I want them to be slightly dusky and a little bit dirty almost. I want them to be like a vintage romance kind of colour. I change my colour choices as often as I change clothing. I've always got a brand new favourite, and I think that's exciting in life, always having something a little bit new. There we go. And I'm going to add some of my titanium dioxide, but I also want a little bit of it in the pink, if you remember, because I just want to lighten it a little bit. I think it's going to be too dark otherwise. Now I want a little bit more contrast between that beautiful dark brown colour and this kind of muted berry shade. I think it's going to be lovely, but we will see. It's always a little surprise sometimes that you're not expecting with soap making. You never know 100% how it's going to turn out. And isn't that the beauty of it? That little kiss of surprise when you're making your soaps. Don't those colours look great together? Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm just using a silicone loaf mould. And there's lots of different styles out there, so don't be particular about any specific one. So I'm just going to pour some of my white into the bottom, and then I'm going to just start literally doing a random looping swirl into my mould. And then I'm going to use that beautiful brown. Oh, I can't wait to see this one. Just keep mixing it all. Just going to do a bigger one on there. Really allow it to flow. And then just do a little bit of a design on the top with the leftovers. And a tiny bit of white just for some contrast. Probably overfilled it a bit, but hey, I am liking this. That looks lovely. I don't think I need to do anything else to that at all, except I'm not happy with that one corner. Let's just pull that through like that. That looks stunning. I'm really happy with that design. And I think the colours just look beautiful. I'm really glad that I put that little hint of white in with the pink. Now, if you've enjoyed it so far, why not hit the like button? And if you want to subscribe and see more of our videos, just click on the subscribe button. And if you ding the bell, you'll get a notification every week when we bring you a brand new project. And we would love to have you with us. Let's pop this to one side until tomorrow, and then we'll come back and I will show you as we actually cut it and see that beautiful wild currant and sandalwood swirl. Well, it is ready. Oh, I'm so excited by this one. I wondered if I'd used the right pink in this one. This was my wild currant and sandalwood soap, if you remember. And I wanted that pink to just be a little bit lighter, which is why I added the white, and I absolutely think I did the right thing. Now I just need to see how the swirl is inside, because I'm super happy with the result at the top. Let me have a sniff. Oh, that smells gorgeous. All right, let's have a look inside this beauty. Woo! And look at that beautiful design. Love the colours. I think that just works so well. Oh yes. All right, let's see the next one. And it's even getting better. Look at that gorgeous design. Stunning patterning on that one. Let's see the next one. We're getting into the middle of the bar now. And again, that patterning just looks gorgeous. So this was my random circling swirl. It's one that I absolutely love doing. I always get very good results using this particular technique. And I think the colour combination is lovely. But what do you think? Do you like the colours? I was wanting that muted, soft, almost romantic, that more vintagey pink to represent the wild currant, and then the brown to represent the sandalwood fragrance in this soap. I think it's really nice. Loving the colour combination together. So slightly less definition on that one, on that side. You can see where the soap's fallen inside the previous layer, which is exactly what we're looking for. And then that gorgeous swirl again. That is beautiful. And I love the swirling on the top. Looks like it's just following on from the design inside. Absolutely lovely. Now, if you have enjoyed today, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to click on that subscribe button so that you can join us every week. And by clicking on the bell at the side, you'll get a notification every time that we upload a brand new video for you. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's always a pleasure to hang out with you, and we can't wait to see you again really soon. Bye bye for now.